In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide an object in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started by opening PowerPoint. Click the Windows icon on your taskbar to open the Start menu, then launch PowerPoint from your apps. Once the program opens, load the presentation you want to work on and navigate to the specific slide where the object you want to hide is located. This could be a picture, a shape, a text box, a chart, anything on your slide. With your slide open, look to the ribbon at the top and make sure you're on the Home tab. From there, find the Select option, click it, and in the menu that appears, choose Selection Pane. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen that lists every object on your current slide, essentially giving you a clean, organized view of all the elements you're working with. Each item in the selection pane represents an object on the slide. If the names look generic, don't worry, that's normal. You can click an object directly on the slide to see it highlight in the list, or click an item in the list to select it on the slide. This helps confirm you're targeting the right thing, especially when objects overlap or there are many layers. On the right-hand side of each item in the selection pane, you'll see an eye icon. That eye controls visibility. Click the eye next to the object you want to hide. Instantly, the object disappears from the slide, but it isn't deleted. PowerPoint simply hides it from view. This is perfect for decluttering your workspace, focusing on specific layers, or temporarily removing an element for layout and alignment work without losing it. If you change your mind or you're ready to show the object again, just click the eye icon a second time to unhide it. The object will reappear exactly where it was. Think of this as a safe, reversible toggle you can use anytime while editing. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind as you work. The selection pane controls visibility per slide, so you'll manage objects slide by slide. Hidden items won't appear during slideshow or in exports while they're hidden, which makes this feature useful for creating alternate slide versions or testing different looks. And if you're working with lots of objects, using the selection pane helps you stay organized and avoid accidental edits. That's it. Open your slide, go to Home, select Selection Pane, and use the eye icon to hide or unhide exactly what you need.